Game failing to initialize because of the Unity IL2CPP Common Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming. To begin our Unity IL2CPP Common Library troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Unity IL2CPP Common Library, a shared runtime module used by Unity IL2CPP games to manage memory allocation and script runtime structures generated from managed code. It ensures stable execution of converted logic within native contexts. If corrupted, applications may crash during loading with errors such as scripting engine load failure. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Unity IL2CPP Common serves as a critical internal bridge for Unity engine features, and you should download the latest version of your host program where you encountered the error to replace any truncated or damaged binaries to resolve the launch error. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Unity IL2CPP Common Library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for Unity IL2CPP Common Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility linked below references Unity IL2CPP Common Library configuration concepts. To support our technical team and receive updates on Unity IL2CPP Common Library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.